Okay, we got the 229 transfer case out of the Jeep Wagoneer, Grand Wagoneer, and I've got it soaking with some gunk, and we will let it soak here for another minute, and then we'll just go ahead and use a pressure washer to knock some of this filth off before we take it apart. Well, there you go. I'm soaking wet. And we got it pretty clean, so we'll be able to check it out, see if it got any cracks or anything like that in it. We'll get to next phase. We'll be taking it apart and inspecting what's in there. It's got a viscous coupling in there that I'm going to have to check, and if it's bad, I'm going to have to find a replacement for it. But so we'll see what's in there. I appreciate you for watching this short video, and we will get right back with the next one as soon as we get her back up on the bench and get to working. So thanks for watching.